What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I want to show you how to create a Pixlr account. So the first step is to go on Google and search for Pixlr. So let's do that. Good. Now click on the first link that pops up. It should look like this. So click on it. And now you can choose which one of these editor you would like to use. For this video, you can use your account on both of these, so it doesn't really matter. But for this video, I'm gonna make an account with Pixlr X, which is easier editor to use. This is Pixlr E, an advanced photo editor. But let's start with Pixlr X. So start a design project. Good. Now at the top you have the option to sign up / login. We're gonna click on that. And now we can begin to create our Pixlr account. So first you will need an email. So make sure you have one. Good, now that you filled in your email, you want to make sure you create a password. As you can see, my password is so and so, which means it's kind of decent, but not really. So I'm gonna add another character, and now it's good. Now you want to select your country. Mine is good, and click sign up. Good, this is their term of use and privacy notice, so you want to make sure you read all of this. After you read it, you want to check this box and this box. The first one is I would like to receive updates, freebies, promos, and other marketing emails from Pixlr. I do not want to receive any of those, so I'm not gonna check that one. Then click agree. And because I've put in a random email that I do not have the password for, basically what they're gonna do, as you can read here, we send an email to this email with the verification code. Please enter the code below. So what you want to do now is go on your email and open the email that they send you with the verification code, then fill it up in here, click verified, and your account will be automatically created. Then you can start editing your photos and enjoy this online editor. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.